Shenzhen HongTian Electronics Company Limited, located in Baoan District, Shenzhen, has been established for many years with ISO 9001 certified and awarded as high-tech enterprise. Main products: USB hub, audio cable, card reader, Bluetooth USB 5.0 adapter, laptop stand with hub and wireless charger, for HDMI, VGA, Ethernet, and other series. After years of efforts, we have become a company integrating R&D, production, marketing, and after-sales service. With excellent production equipment, strong technical force, we can provide you a variety of high-quality products professionally. The most representative customers like Lenovo, Xiaomi, Ventian, Baez, Gubei, etc. Our services approach is to insist on promise, quality, and profession. We strongly positioned us as a professional manufacturer since establishment. Our team is delivering people-focused solutions with great efforts for research, strategy, innovation, and professional in providing total solutions to our customers. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. We have obtained design patent certificates, utility model patent certificates, CE, ROSE certificates, etc. We always adhere to the development tenet of survival by quality and development by efficiency, and the business philosophy of customer-oriented and integrity-based. We are confident to help customers win opportunities with qualified professionals, reliable product quality, and sufficient and on-time supply capacity. We sincerely hope HongTian will become customers' first choice and cooperate together to reach mutual benefits.